Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. This is about the region. Now we can set up about the double integrals in here. This is for x, this is for y. So we will have about sine s y. This is about s, so we put about the s and we have the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Similar for the second one. Now we need to calculate about this one first. Because this is about the s, so that means s just likely about the variable, y just likely about the number. The integration of sine, you got about negative cosine s plus y. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And we have dy. So we put b over 2 for s, number 0 for s. So we have negative cosine of b over 2 plus y plus cosine. This one you got about 0. So we have cosine y dy. The integration of cosine with the negative, you got about negative sine. And we have b over 2 plus y. The integration of cosine y, you got about sine y. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Now I will put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we got the final answer. So I will put b over 2 in here. And number 0 gone here. And now we got the final answer. And this one you got about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.